So in this video you will see how you can put its happy character, which is by default like this, like this in the prefabs. It's this base mesh. So when I further opened it like this, I saw that there was a problem with the base rigging that they provided already. So we will uh, we will ignore it and simply open up Sketchfab and drag and drop FBX here. So once we have drag and dropped, it will apply the rigging itself by itself. So once it's applied, we will simply download it. So let's download it with any animation. So for right now it's punching, then simply download it. And once it's downloaded, we will drag and drop this. We'll copy it and put it back to here. We can put here Sun Explorer. It's happy. Put it here. And now what we will do is simply inside this game object that is here, we will put the punching. But before that, first we will need to make sure that the avatar exists, which it doesn't exist because the reason is animation type is generic. We will put that to human height. Press apply. And now it's a human height character which by controller asks for. So by default, if this window is failing, so if we put it here, let's put it here, and now if we run the animator, this arcade bike physics black box of biker animation creator, simply we will put the character here, and then in the bikes we can select any bike. So let's go with Pro Cafe Racer, and then we can build it. So once no error was given, so it's here, and when we click here, uh, as you can see, the character has been placed. So now let's put it again with the another one. So drag and drop here again, and put it here like this, and uh, here we can give, let's say, chopper. Let's give chopper, and then here it went in the chopper, and here you can see the chopper is the character went here. Now let's put it here again. Let's put it here again in this game object here, and then do this like this. Select the bike, which is motocross, and build trick, and it went here right away in the this one is M3X1 bike, this one here, and in this way you can repeat the process. So let's put it here again. This time it will go the third bike, I guess street bike, and it went there or not is the question. Yeah, it went there. So likewise you can put it in the any of it. So right now then we will save the thing here, and now if we press play, so this was our first bike, Pro Futuristic bike. Then we will press on the next bike, and as you can see, in some of these cases our new white character, that was its happy character. If I can show you here, so let's click here. This is our dummy mannequin that we can simply which we can select its skinned mesh component here, this one here, turn it off here, and now we have our character here, this one here. And now let's press next bike, and for the next bike we have sports bike, and we can play here like this, and we will simply turn the skin mesh renderer off as well. So it was like this, and now So the thing was that if by default, if this values are not being picked by the black box given by Arcade Bike Physics Pro, either there is a problem with a rigging provided by the model. So for that you simply needed to go to Sketchfab and upload here and download a more standardized version which you can use anywhere. But yep, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.